Meaning of inexorability.
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 Inexorability. Inexorability refers to the quality of being impossible to stop or prevent. It suggests that something will inevitably happen no matter what efforts are made to resist or alter it. For example, the inexorability of aging means that as people get older, their bodies will gradually deteriorate and eventually die, regardless of how much they exercise or eat healthily. In short, inexorability implies an unyielding, unrelenting force that is impervious to human intervention, making its eventual result unavoidable and inevitable.